Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see about iOS 16.1.1 update that Apple released a couple of days ago. What are the bug fixes that came in this update and how the 24 hours past 24 hours battery performance is overall. In our recent episode where we published about iOS 16.1 follow-up, I did mention about that this update is going to come soon, fixing several bugs related to Wi-Fi and the ad network. So looks like Apple have released it super quick without mentioning anything about what are the bug fixes they have done in this specific update. Of course, it is a minor update as we can see it from the number 16.1.1, and the security content of this update is already published in release notes, which shows two important security updates have released with this update. Like these two are quite serious high-risk security problems that Apple have fixed in this update. So it is important to update to 16.1.1 immediately in your iPhone and iPad if you're security conscious. Apart from that, there is no mention about any other bug fixes. In recent Twitter discussion, one of my audience have mentioned that he is finding that the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity problem is fixed after updating to 16.1.1. Some users did face, their connection was frequently disconnecting with the 5 GHz network, specifically with up to 16.1. After connecting to the Wi-Fi router, both their iPhone and iPad were, frequently disconnecting the Wi-Fi connection. So that problem seems to be fixed. And apart from that, developers who had issues with the data ad framework might be seeing some fix as well. Their advertisement displaying should be working properly without any issues. And when it comes to the battery health, mine is iPhone 14 Plus. I recently bought it and there is no change with the battery health percentage. And the past 24 hours battery performance is, in this graph, it is quite stable performance, overall. And I don't feel any big difference. Of course, it is a new phone, so there won't be any huge difference. And it has a bigger battery. The 14 Plus model has a bigger battery. And as you can see, the last charge, in between I had to charge when it was, around 50%. Other than that, the overnight battery drain from 12 a.m. to morning around 7 a.m., you can see that the battery graph is pretty stable. It is not drastically reducing after the update. And the morning, it reached around 10 o'clock or 10:30. It reached around 50% and I charged for a few minutes and then I started to use it. I charged up to 70%, as you can see from the last charged to 70% at the top section. And then I started to use it. And right now I have battery left around 56 to 57%. My usage was quite strong. Like I have used Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube application, that was very less. And the phone calls were around 41 minutes. And most of the social media apps were quite battery hungry. So this is the first day graph. And in the second day, as you can see, after charging it to 89%, I was using similar application, the Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which all of them are battery hungry applications. And the usage pattern, you can see the overnight battery reduces very stable. And after that, while using also, it was very gradually reducing. And I have 50% charge left. And I think I can get through it for another at least half a day, even while using Instagram and other applications. So far, the 16.1.1 battery performance is same as 16.1. I didn't notice any much difference in it. Do share your thoughts about the overall performance and the battery performance of 16.1.1 in the comment section. If you have any questions related to iPhone, don't forget to search our channel to find the solutions faster. Thank you and have a wonderful day.